Hey guests, welcome to my home. I'm Madisson Hausburg, and today you are going to help me pack. Okay guys, so these are all my brand new Guess accessories, and I'm really excited about having so many options. And this season I've really been getting into hats. I think they're so fun. And I have all these new purses. This one is really cute. It's a little more high end, so I would take it out to dinner. I would take it shopping with my friends. I love how much pocket space it has, how much extra. You can really bring anything you need along with you when you have this bag. So this one's a little smaller, so you can pair it with bikinis, you can pair it with just shorts. And I'm most excited to show you guys my newest obsession. So for all your sunglasses, keeps them on a super cute chain, which is so fun, and it looks like earrings. It's so cute. And you can put it on any of your sunglasses. So I'm obsessed with these chains. They're awesome, and you guys are definitely gonna want them for the summer. So these are all my new shoes that I can't wait to wear this summer. I'm really liking wedges and sandals more right now, just because it's so much more summery than like stilettos. So yeah, these are super my vibe right now. So let me show you these black shoes, and they wrap up your leg. So you have that really sexy, fun, but still casual look. So doesn't look like you're trying too hard. And then these shoes, which I'm totally obsessed with, just because these will go with absolutely everything. And they have that heel, so it's gonna make your leg look amazing. And everyone needs a good black and white basic tenny, but these have that special wraparound Guess, so you can see the logo all around, which I love this detail. And then I love these flats when you don't want to wear a heel that day, which totally understandable. And they still have that wrap up the leg, which is so cute. I'm loving that look. So I'm really excited to share with you guys some of my favorite looks that I picked out to bring back to Florida with me. This time I found this really cute striped bikini from Guess, and my favorite thing about it is that it has these really cute floral details on the strings, same with on the top, and it's just such a cute mixing of patterns that I'm really liking, and I'm excited to show everyone. This one's kind of similar to this one, but it's off the shoulder, so it's gonna be a little more revealing, and then I'm gonna pair it with some just cute denim shorts, which have, of course, the Guess detail on the back, which I love. And then I have this denim dress, which is so cute, and it's really flattering on. I love that it has the tie-dye detail on it, and then it has the zipper that goes all the way down. See, it goes all the way down to the bottom, which is so cute. I love that detail on the front. And last but not least, I have this really high-end looking outfit that I threw together. It's a bikini, of course. So it's got the Guess detail on the bottom, but it also has the padded cups, which is really nice and really flattering. So you're gonna get that support, which is amazing to get from a bikini. And then it has the tie bottoms, which are super cute. And I'm pairing it with this black high-waisted cover-up. So I'm gonna show you guys, but it's really flattering on. So these are my favorite looks that I can't wait to bring back to Florida with me, and just to wow all my friends and to rock. Well, now that I've gotten all my Guess stuff together, I'm gonna start getting the rest of my clothes to start preparing for this 2-week-long trip I have coming up to Florida. So I like to bring a lot of denim, a lot of bottoms, just so I can mix and match. And then of course, a lot of bikinis. More denim. I like to roll my shirts because I'm an awful folder. I need to grab some sunglasses before I forget. Pack them in here so that they don't get crushed. So this looks good. I always like to bring a couple pairs of sweatpants and sweatshirts just in case. Okay, so I got that. Now I need to get my makeup. That looks good. All right, so now let's put it all in the suitcase and see what we're working with. So this is my guest luggage that I love to travel with because it has absolutely everything you need, and I like that it's soft so that I don't have to like squish everything in there. It's nice and it's flexible. And then let me show you the inside. Super large and spacious. You can see it has the little Guess logos everywhere, which is super cute. This matching carry-on bag or toiletry bag. I personally like to use it for my makeup and my hair stuff. Just to keep these things separate, it's nice to maybe throw some accessories in here. And my favorite part about this is it makes it so easy when you're in the airport just to pop it on the top of your luggage and it won't go anywhere, because I've been there when you're carrying a million different things through the airport and it's so hard to carry your carry-on and your luggage. When I do start packing my bag, I like to have everything laid out before, just so I can see everything that I have and that I'm making sure I have everything. But I also like to start with my bulkier items so that they are always at the bottom. And then I can see how much room I have left for the smaller things. So usually I'll do pants on the bottom and all the denim. And then on top, I'll put the shirts, the blouses, the dresses, the lighter items. We'll put my bathing suits right on top. And then I'll start adding my accessories in there. Here's a little tip that I learned so that you don't ruin your hats like this. You put them upside down, create a little bowl in your suitcase, and then you fill it with something like underwear, bras, and that's why I saved those for last, so that I could fill it in there and so that it keeps its structure and doesn't ruin the hat. So I'll stuff those all in there and it creates a nice little bag. It's also great for space saving. Got all my makeup, my creams, my lotions, got some wedges, tennis shoes, and then maybe a pair of flats will be good. All right, guys, well, that's it for me. Thank you so much for helping me pack today. If you have any tips of your own or helpful packing tricks, I'd love to hear it in the comments. Otherwise, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in Siesta Key.